Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, we have a very special edition. We're showing you guys how liquefied is actually made. We're gonna break down to what enzymes and bacteria goes into liquefied to make it such a great toilet treatment. And we're gonna talk to the team at Century Chemical and just take you on a little behind the scene tours on how liquefied's made. Come on, let's take a look at the inside. We're here with
Pontius, but
Pontius.
okay. I love them nonetheless.
Thank you. This video is all about how liquefied's being made, so things have definitely changed since the first time I was here. You got more people, you got less space, and a lot more equipment. What the heck's going on?
Well, you're such a good salesman, Matt, that you caused us to have to up our game to support your business, and in turn it's helped us support our own business and all the other business we do, so we're happy.
Show us how it's made.
All right, follow me.
Look at this machine here.
I know, this is cool.
We'll come around to the beginning of it, and then I'll kind of tell you how it evolved.
Yeah.
So this machine uses what's called a bottom-up filling method. So you'll notice, we'll see on the next cycle, but the fill heads dip into the bottle, and they come from the bottom, and then they come up at the end of the fill. And the reason it does that is because, there's a soap in this that we add to keep things clean, and that way it doesn't foam up.
Oh,
yep.
yeah.
See, he'll run them out. And a lot of this we wouldn't have to do by hand normally, but these bottles kind of necessitate this, which we're happy to do.
Okay, sorry about that.
So he's going to hit the button now. It's going to locate the heads. It's going to dip it in. And then you'll hear it open. And then it starts at the bottom and comes up to the top.
Look at that.
And it's feeding it from up here?
Yeah, so up here, and it gets that from a tank we have behind us here.
Okay.
There's a full tank of it there. Yep.
This?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
So that's full of liquefied, and it comes in through the green hose up to the top of that's called a float. And that way it maintains a level amount, so as it fills, we don't get ones that are too high or too short. It keeps them steady.
Oh, okay. And then you push that button?
Yep, so Dan's going to run those through, and then we'll sneak in behind you, Dan, to watch them get capped.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to come in behind Dan here. So this is where the bottles, they like to wedge in, so we just have to help them get through. Give them a little guiding hand from Mother.
Oh, and look at the bottle caps.
Yep, that's cool.
Holy.
Put them on here. Then if you look in there, they're each getting capped and spun, tightened on.
Oh my God.
How does the oil get on? So I'll show you that here, Will. So that's a good question. So this is an intercon cap sealer. So if I grab one that just went through, it has an electromagnet that heats it up and causes that seal to go on. And
So the seal's in the cap.
The seal is in the cap, yep.
Hang on.
Until it goes through that.
Okay.
You want me to hold that?
Yeah, can I get that
Yes, sir.
bottle?
See, they're childproof. This is...
I'm going to Sharpie in this.
Okay.
If you find this under your cap and it's Sharpied, send me an email, matt@liquifiedrv.com. I will give you a $500 gift card to our website. And what should it say? We need something that we won't put on camera, so just mute this part.
All right.
What should it be?
Beautiful.
Okay.
All right, let's keep it
Hang
away
on.
from the camera. We'll do it this way, away from the camera.
Let me,
Okay.
yeah. $500.
Okay.
Somebody
Then I
gets that. Dude.
Hey, Pat's like, I'm gonna send it to my own house.
Right.
So then,
Okay.
this is probably my favorite part of the machine. So you're gonna see this as it goes down. It's gonna slap a Matt's label on there. It's gonna slap a liquefied label on there.
Oh.
That was quick.
Oh.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. And then
There's the bottle.
And the latest evolution is.
Oh, hang on.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get.
Let me.
Oh yeah, get a full quick run coming through. This spaces them, so we don't have to worry about too many going at once.
Look at that. Holy smokes.
And I love that little rubber piece to make sure it like goes on smooth. Yeah.
Yep. Ta-da.
Look at that.
Magic.
Dang.
So that, that took us from doing your product, we could do maybe 1,000 bottles a day. Maybe, let's say 500 bottles a day. Now we can do 4,000 bottles a day.
Wow. So 8 times?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Now there's a hitch, and that is working with Matt and being as responsible we are to his needs, we were having Amazon complaints about leakers.
Okay.
So what we've done to mitigate that, if you turn behind you here, you'll see what Griffin's doing here.
Oh my God, yep. What a pain in the butt.
So we're sealing every bag, every bottle's getting sealed by hand.
Wow.
And then we check a bunch of them. So like if you grab this bottle, like they're all sealed.
For sure.
Everything, but the way they get handled, stuff happens. So this is just trying to give us an extra layer of protection.
Yeah.
And
well,
that's what we're doing.
Here's the thing, Pat. I swear to you, if it was you, we would tell you. It isn't you. It's Amazon FBA. You think this is crazy. It goes down these conveyor belts, and when it falls down the ramps, it will hit the corner of the bottle, and that's what makes them pop off. So just to have this little bit of extra heat seal security is freaking amazing. And I do want to let everybody know, if you guys ever had a missing cap or an issue, don't leave a negative review on Amazon about the product. Send us an email and we'll just mail you a replacement product. The next 20,000 bottles in Amazon won't be heat sealed, but from this point on they will be heat sealed. And the star reviews things is like a big deal with Amazon, just so everybody knows that. But that is awesome. Yeah, is this the finished product?
Yep. Well, so he's got a tear in it. So we're going to run it again.
QC for you.
Oh, okay. A little tear right here.
Yeah, so we want to
I don't think that's a big deal. I mean, you guys do you. But as long as...
There's a good one. Thanks, Dan.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That is really nice.
It really isn't, like, if there was a way just do the top, I would do that, but...
It falls off.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we experimented with that. This was the best way that we could be sure that we're doing a good job and doing everything we can to make sure we send it.
Because I thought about, like, some of the things where you have the little perforated edges just around the cap, but...
It's just as you move it through the heat sealer, it tries to peel it off.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, so this was a way that we knew it'd be right, we knew it'd be good. It doesn't take much more time. I mean, it takes more time than standard production.
Dang, dude, he called you out. He called you out.
More time than putting on cat tables.
God dang, dude.
Yes, more than cat tables.
Dang, that was savage.
Well, I tell you what, we like to be productive here, so we like to be as good as we can, but the guys are going to step up to the challenge, and we're going to be productive.
Perfect. With that said, let's step out of their way.
Yep. And
if you could tell us what goes on into this product.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you want us to do it right here?
Here?
You want.
Are we out of the way?
Yeah. Dan he'll be working around us. So
perfect.
So does that just heat it essentially?
Yeah, it's just a heat tunnel.
Yeah.
That's a shrink plastic, and as heat is applied to it, it shrinks it up.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll put it through there, and then we got a bottle. Cool. So the magic behind Liquified, and we don't want to give it all away because it is proprietary to Matt, it's proprietary to Century, but we got 4 enzymes in there.
4 key enzymes.
4 key enzymes.
And then we got secret enzymes. No, I'm just kidding.
So many. But it's lipase, amylase, protease, and cellulase. And what these enzymes are doing is they're breaking down the paper, they're breaking down the waste, they're breaking down the fats, oils, and greases, and they're breaking down proteins, which is hair. So it's breaking down your biggest problem causers of stuff getting stuck in your system and gumming everything up. So that's what we attack. And like Matt says, there's some bacteria in there that's proprietary that we use that really helps get that process going. It's got, technical term, it's got some surfactants, which are essentially soaps.
Okay.
So we're also making sure we're keeping things clean, like nothing sticks to the walls.
Okay.
Stuff of that nature.
And aren't we also doing something with the seals?
Yeah, so we also have a lubricant in to make sure and it's all food grade, so it's a food grade lubricant to make sure your seals and gaskets and everything stays lubricated. Yes, sir.
Perfect.
And then we have the patented orange fragrance also that everybody loves, or lavender that everybody loves. So.
And these awesome pain in the butt Bixler bottles.
Love the bottles. Love the bottles.
We appreciate it.
Well, it's unique, and we do like, and we've gotten very good at running them. So I mean, we're very thankful to have it. So.
Perfect. And then just so everybody knows, we do have a sensor cleaner. We got a new gray tank cleaner coming out very, very soon. We got toilet bowl cleaner, all made by Century Chemical. But a lot of people, all made in partnership with Century Chemical. It's Liquified's branding. But we do have a lot of people that ask about home septic tanks.
Yep.
And that's a field that we're not in. So do a big shout out,
yeah,
a selfish shout out for you guys.
I appreciate that, Matt. So we have a product at Century called BioTab. What BioTab is, kind of like Liquified, is it's an amazing waste digester.
Okay.
Because that's what Century does. We're really good at waste digesters. So you pop one of these down your toilet, goes to your septic every month, and it's going to give you 17 billion colony-forming units of bacteria to dissolve the waste in your system. And just like Liquified, it's got the same active enzymes. So it's got those same enzymes. They're going to do the same thing. But what's different about BioTab is it's a hard tablet. Everything else you're going to see in the market, if you've ever had a septic, is either a liquid or a powder or water-soluble packet. So this is going to get to the bottom of the tank because it's a heavy tablet. It's going to digest the waste at the bottom and then clean the tank from the bottom up. So I appreciate it, Matt. You can find BioTab on centurychemical.com. It's also for sale on our Amazon store. So.
Yeah, we'll link the Amazon store for sure, and we'll link both websites for sure. And Pat, we just appreciate you being a great partner to us and really investing, honestly, in these machines here.
Well, the pleasure is all mine, Matt. And I mean, I speak for our whole team when we say we appreciate your business. We appreciate how easy you are to work with. And, I hope we can keep this partnership going for a long time.
Okay, final question. When I first emailed you, did you think it'd be like this?
Nope. I'll tell you the quick story I tell everybody.
Tell me.
So we do a lot of private label. And everybody thinks they're going to sell so much. Everybody, and if you're one of my customers, I apologize. But so you think they're telling me, Pat, we're going to sell X amount. And I always say, okay, you're going to sell half that. Okay. You are the only customer I've ever had that has exceeded his own lofty expectations.
That's all to you guys.
When you told me I'm a YouTuber, I'm going to sell toilet chemical, I said, I'll take your money. We'll see what we can do. But no, you've been amazing, and you've inspired me to work harder at what I do. So we're happy to be in cahoots.
Perfect. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for checking out. If you guys haven't gotten your free bottle of Liquified yet, go to our website, liquifiedrav.com/free bottle. We're only giving away 10,000 free bottles, and I know I'm saying only, but we're already 7,000 bottles in at time of filming this. So make sure you guys hurry up, because we have a new business partner, Sean, and he said we are never doing that again.
That was in my head. Yeah. Sean's going to love that.
Yeah, Sean did not love that, but we loved it because we want to get this in the hands of everybody. Thanks so much, guys. See you next time.